Say goodbye to nasty water at the bottom of coolers and bags of rock-hard ice. If you're ready for a serious camp kitchen upgrade, it's time to welcome an electric cooler to your kit. There are many electric coolers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best electric coolers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Dometic Electric Cooler. The Dometic CFX3 electric cooler is the cream of the crop for electric coolers, striking a nice balance between capacity, price, and portability. Like all Dometic products, it has a sturdy construction and robust handles. This cooler is surprisingly lightweight considering its generous capacity, which can fit 50 soda cans. But the main reason people love Dometic is its energy efficiency. The cooler has a strong compressor that can freeze down to -7 degrees F and a strong insulation factor to keep things cool and minimize energy consumption. As Gear Junkie reviewer CG Ishii explained, the electric cooler gets cold enough to be able to make ice. Check out his full review of the CFX3. One other huge perk of the family of Dometic products is they've entered the 21st century in a big way. The electric cooler not only has a sleek high-resolution display, but it's also Bluetooth-enabled and app-compatible. Number 2. Gosun Chill Electric Cooler. While many of these devices could be powered by a sustainable source like a solar panel and battery bank, none is more eco-friendly than the Gosun Chill Electric Cooler. This is the perfect product for people looking for modern luxury, but who still want to maintain a sustainable lifestyle. This electric cooler can be charged by your car's battery, an AC adapter, or another power source. It can also plug into the electric cooler's power bank, which can save a dead phone battery in a pinch. On an 80-degree day, the power bank is strong enough to maintain the internal temperature of the electric cooler at 40 degrees F for 10 hours or 10 degrees F for 10 degrees F for 6 hours. Finally, you can get a package deal on the Gosun Chill Electric Cooler and either the solar table or the flexible solar panels. With these accessories, as long as there is some sunshine, you can keep your food and drinks cold from anywhere without worrying about draining your car battery. Number 3. Winter Portable Refrigerator. At its relatively affordable price point, the Winter Portable Refrigerator is a high-performing cooler with a lot going for it. The temperature range of the unit is very impressive, tying with the much more expensive ARB Zero for the lowest minimum temperature on this list. Not only is it the lowest we have seen, but it's also just about the lowest possible temperature for an electric cooler. The single-zone Winter Electric Cooler functions as a refrigerator or freezer. However, it has a secondary fast freeze mode that jacks up the power and lowers the temperature as fast as possible. With a temperature-controlled deviation of only 1.6 degrees F, it has one of the best control ratings of all the coolers we reviewed. Number 4. Iceco Portable Refrigerator. If you like the idea of a dual-zone electric cooler but not the price points of the Dometic or ARB options, you're going to love what the Iceco VL60 dual-zone portable refrigerator has to offer. Iceco is a popular brand with overwhelmingly positive reviews on all of its electric coolers. This spacious cooler has 2 zones, both capable of reaching any temperature in the cooler's range. The Iceco also supports 2 cooling modes, Max and Eco, for fast freezing when you need it and energy efficiency when you don't. We particularly like the sturdy construction of Iceco's coolers. The metal shell has thick walls, good seals, and steel fasteners to provide quality insulation. The compressor comes with a 5-year warranty, so you can feel confident this electric cooler will be a good investment. Finally, the electric cooler comes with wired baskets for organizing your food and an interior LED light, so you can always find what you are looking for, even in the dark. Number 5. Works Powered Cooler. The Works 20V electric battery-powered cooler is an intriguing option for van lifers, car campers, or anyone just spending the day at the beach. This portable electric refrigerator freezer uses the same 20V batteries as Works Power tools. In a nutshell, having a universal power source that is also swappable across a wide range of power tools and garden equipment brings familiarity and convenience to consumers. Unlike some portable refrigerators on this list, the Works Powered Cooler only has a single compartment. That 24-quart space will fit about 32 12-ounce canned beverages. Having dual temperature zones would make it easier to carry chilled and frozen food simultaneously, but that would reduce the carrying capacity even more. The cooler comes with 2 20V battery packs, fully compatible with Works' power tools and lawn care equipment. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.